Staying healthy starts with simple habits. In today's video, let's explore how to avoid norovirus, one of the most common stomach bugs around. Norovirus spreads very quickly and can lead to upset stomach, vomiting, and diarrhea. It's often called the stomach bug, and just a few tiny particles can make you sick. While it's more common during cooler months, it can appear any time of year. The first line of defense: wash your hands thoroughly and often. Scrub with soap for at least 20 seconds, getting between your fingers and under your nails. Wash before eating, after using the restroom, and whenever your hands are visibly dirty. This simple step is one of the most effective ways to prevent norovirus. Next, keep surfaces clean. Norovirus can linger on countertops, utensils, and other frequently touched items. Use a disinfectant cleaner or diluted bleach solution to wipe down these areas, especially if someone in your home has been sick. Proper food handling is essential. Wash produce thoroughly under running water and cook meats to their recommended internal temperatures. If someone in the household is unwell, avoid letting them handle food to prevent cross-contamination. If you feel ill, stay home until you're fully recovered, usually at least 48 hours after symptoms stop. Norovirus can still be contagious even after you begin to feel better, so give it time to clear out of your system. To summarize, wash your hands thoroughly and often, keep surfaces clean, handle food properly, and be cautious when you're feeling unwell. These steps go a long way in keeping norovirus away. Health is in your hands, quite literally. By following these basic habits, you can stay one step ahead of norovirus. If you found this video helpful, take a moment to share it with a friend. Thank you for watching, and keep taking care of yourself.